So, good morning. I don't even know how many days it's been, but it's the morning after the clip that you just saw. And as you saw yesterday, I put up the ceiling and I did some mistakes. I broke a little bit of the wood, which I'm still crying about. I think as I was driving back, I thought that, this is a van that I'm going to be driving around. So basically, this tiny home inside of it is going to be going through an earthquake every time that I drive. So it needs to be really, really sturdy. And right now, I'm not trusting the sturdiness of this too much. To be honest, I was kind of happy that when I came here, it still was on the ceiling. I'm gonna get some riv nuts, which are little metal things that are threaded on the inside. I'm gonna bolt those to the inner frame of the van, and then I'll have something sturdy enough to attach some screws into, which should not go anywhere, hopefully. So that's the plan. I've never done that. I have no idea how to do it. I saw a YouTube video yesterday. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I had an issue that I bought the rivets, but I didn't really have a rivet gun. This is my rivet gun, basically. So this threads onto there, and then I go on there and just move around this one to tighten it. And I think it'll work. All right. It's there. Okay. And moment of truth. Yes, would you look at that? Look at that. Nice. Something happened. I was doing that little tool thing and my hands got fucked. They started bleeding. I got so goddamn frustrated. The work wasn't turning out too good. So I thought, okay, there's gotta be a better way to do this. I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna go look for a Rivnut gun. And I went to a store, then I went to another store, then I went to another store, and then I was getting fucking desperate. But then I found this old shop by the side of the road, and I was like, okay, well, might as well just check it. And I found it, they have it. But goddamn, it was so fucking expensive. Look at this thing. It's really fucking fancy. But this thing cost me 110 euros. Ay, 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 man. Well, now this job better be the best thing ever. And just like that, I finally did it. I'm pretty happy with the result. This stuff is so stuck on there. It's not going anywhere. I'm telling you, and yeah, you can tell that some of the insulation is kind of falling down. But that's all right. I just need to put a little bit more tape on there and then put the panels in. What a pain, but man, this rivet pliers or rivet gun or whatever this is, man, what an investment. Jesus Christ, I did this in 5 minutes. This thing is the best thing ever. I love it. Makes me feel very strong. it's perfect. Oh, all right. Oh, God damn. Oh, mamma mia, fucking hell. Oh, my back. Wait. Oh my God. Did you guys hear that? I just cracked my hip. Oh my God. Oh, but this is good. We're done. We have a floor. And yeah, it was one of those days that I felt in the morning that it was a bit of a step back because we had to redo the ceiling. What a good idea that was, because now we have a ceiling that, like, it's just not going anywhere. I can be rolling down a hill with a van and like nothing is gonna happen. So yeah, man, what a good day. What a good day. We have a floor. We have a floor. Like, how nice is it? It's ugly, obviously, but this is just a subfloor. I'm gonna then put some vinyl flooring or some floating flooring on this, and it's gonna be really nice. As long as I can get to the point where there's a bed in this van, I'll be really, 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 really happy. And obviously the van running. Yeah, I'll be really, really, really happy with it. So yeah, it was a good day.